For the next 2 months, I'm going to be going all in on LinkedIn. And in this video, I want to describe why you might consider doing the same. I'm Amanda Horvath, and I'm all about helping business owners and entrepreneurs leverage the power of video without breaking the bank or taking up tons of their time. So if you're looking to use video in your strategy this year, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. Now, before we dive into today's topic, I am going to be switching out my microphone because we have a new one to try. So this is the Movo VXR10 Pro microphone. It is only $50 compared to my current shotgun microphone, which is more like $250. So we're gonna switch it out and see what that sounds like. Let's go. And just like that, we got a new microphone. So, LinkedIn, people, let's talk about it. I know what you're thinking. LinkedIn? Isn't that just some old platform that we all got on ages ago, threw up our resumes, and then forgot about it? Yeah, pretty much. And that's exactly why you should get on it. LinkedIn is like Facebook 10 years ago. There's a ton of users on the platform and very few people actually creating content for the platform. This leads to a longer lifespan of your content. If you post something, it's gonna be around for about 2 weeks compared to Instagram or Facebook where it's buried in seconds. It's also a discovery platform. That means that if I'm scrolling on LinkedIn and happen to come across your content and I like or comment on it, then the LinkedIn algorithm is going to take that piece of content and serve it up to my audience. This gets you in front of new people who have no idea who you are, which gives you the opportunity to grow your network and get more leads for your business. So by now, you're starting to see the power of LinkedIn. If you are, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so I know you're tracking with me. But it keeps getting better. When you're creating content for Instagram or Facebook, you're creating content for a mindless audience. And that's because we all get on Instagram or Facebook when we're laying in bed scrolling, while they're mindlessly eating, and even while they're sitting on the toilet. You know it's true. But with LinkedIn, you're getting people at their very best. It's the middle of the day. They're popping on LinkedIn to look for a job, find potential leads, do some research, or whatever else you might be doing on LinkedIn during business hours, and you happen to come across their feed and offer some sort of value that they didn't know that they didn't know. And suddenly you are marked as an expert within that topic. Now, if you are continuously popping up in their feed, eventually they're gonna be curious about what you do and what services you provide, and if it might be something valuable to them, they'll click back, check out your profile, and if it is in alignment with what they need, they're going to be far more likely to buy because they're in business hours thinking about business, and you are perfectly positioned to have that conversation with them there, compared to people that are sitting on a toilet and scrolling on Instagram. I can't tell you guys the number of people that I have pushed to LinkedIn, and now I've convinced you to go do it as well. But I had not yet dove all in on the platform, and I decided to put my money where my mouth is. So I bought an online course from Vindy Steinberga, and I am going to be learning from her on how to make the most out of the LinkedIn platform and iterate from there. So for the next 2 months, I'm going to be going hard at LinkedIn and figuring out exactly what works and what doesn't work. So if you would like to follow along on this journey, then head on over to linkedin.com, type in Amanda Horvath, and let's connect. Before we officially wrap this video, I would love to hear your opinion of the Movo VXR10 Pro microphone that we've been using since the beginning of this video. This can be used with your camera or your phone, so if you are shooting on your iPhone, like I always recommend, it's gonna be epic, so you should definitely go grab this. I've linked to it in the description below. So with that, I'll see you on LinkedIn.